Hello, everybody. Today, I'm going to talk about literacy, its dimensions, and how can language teachers integrate those concepts in a class. First of all, we have to take into account what does literacy means. Well, literacy is the ability to read, write, spell, listen, and speak. That's the basic meaning, but literacy goes beyond just reading and writing. Let's look some of its dimensions. We have already studied three of its dimensions. The first one is the traditional view, the second one is the sociocultural perspective, and the third one is the multiliteracies or multimodal tests. The traditional view of literacy, it defines it as a set of abilities that someone needs to communicate in a good way. Literacy can't be seen as an isolated event. Learning to read and write is a social practice rather than an individual skill. Literacy has to be conceptualized as a social activity. A proper understanding of the emergence of literacy should consider broad social. Finally, we can find multimodal text. It refers to use audiovisual means to communication to convey meaning. Thus can be like digital posters, also images, videos, blogs, and so on. Here appears a new concept that is critical literacy, which means to engage with texts in an active way, questioning the ideologies and interests that are behind them. Now, in order to answer our first statement about how integrate these dimensions in a language class, let's take a look. All dimensions of literacy have something in common. Literacy education involves helping students to fully participate in society, so I have designed some tips to apply in a language class. So, the first aspect is that in a language class, a teacher needs to be aware that he or she is going to teach how to read and write, but not only that. After that, teachers have to connect what they are teaching with a sociocultural perspective to give a meaning to what they are teaching. Then, teachers have to encourage students to reflect about what they have read and encourage them to talk about it using multimodal tests. Students can show their opinions and the researchers using multimodal tests as creating a blog, a video, or a digital poster. And there is a last one factor that need to be included in all the classes. This is critical literacy. Students need to read and reflect about any topic by questioning, researching, and looking for the interests that are behind them. Now we have some tools that support an excellent language class. If teachers incorporate those literacy dimensions, students will be successful not only in school, but also in life.